I'm trying to drill a straight hole through this wood, and I'm getting it wrong. So I've made this jig out of a bit of steel because I'm too tight to buy a little drill press to do this. So the idea is, this is a 12mm drill, this is 12.3 or 12.5, and I keep that to the top of the pipe. I'm drilling my hole, and it helps me keep it in a straight line. Just a bit of 1/2 inch copper pipe, and just on steel. I've made a
Cool.
jig.
Where'd the steel come from?
Oh, that's just a bit of right angle I found in the rubbish bin one day.
Cool.
Like I said, I try not to waste. People on job sites, they'll have, this is what gets me about recycling, is a lot of big companies, you know, 300-400 people on site, and they'll cock up. Instead of trying to reuse these $4 or $5 pieces, they just get the whole lot and throw them in the bin.
And they end up in our shed.
And then I skip dive, and I bring them home.
And do stuff.
Do stuff with them, that's right. Like, comment and subscribe.